Hello everyone, it's me Amol Sharma back again with my new video. It's been a really long time that I have not uploaded any type of video or any other content because I was busy doing this is our Hindu festival, so in Deepavali and Dasai, so I get chance to upload this video today. Today we are just going to do some security update and okay, let me just uh, okay okay shit, not this. Why it's not working? Okay. Let me just export language. Why it's not working? Let me just okay. Let me just right here. Why it's not working? Okay, our main topic is today that we are discussing about security update and new type of update. Okay, where we are discussing about security update and new type of update. Okay, what does this security update means? When you are try to write a code in any Python, or you are making your own script, main thing important is security update. Okay, just like when you are if you have done encryption, then people will obviously do reverse engineering. Okay, we can do just they can do reverse engineering using C++ language or Python also. Okay, it is not big deal to do reverse engineering. So you need to be know that how security update done. Okay, and then after new type of update. Okay, in market people still don't know about new type of update. I will discuss you that type of update. Okay. mm, uh, our client was something called in Telegram. I found this client, and his name is something God exe app, written name in Telegram. So he told me to make any script such that for file cloning and other purpose. Okay, let me show you this script. Okay, how does this look like? I successfully completed in 2-3 days. Obviously, like pasting other code and how to tell you that like I've written a couple of line in program and different. Okay, I'll just enter my name. Okay, here how it's look. Okay, I have just set first file cloning method, and then after Gmail cloning. Okay, Gmail cloning will not work, obviously I'm not written fully. Okay, let me just okay. mm, I'll write first name Amol, then after okay I'll just do 1000, then after no do I cloning snow cookie, yes. Okay, use method 1. Okay, it will just cloning this Gmail, but I know this Gmail will not clone properly. Okay, it will not show any IDs because I am using in Wi-Fi also, so it will not show ID. Let me just discuss on the topic of this. Okay, security update and this other update. Okay, I have just make and completed script. Okay, this was from, I think this brother is from Bangladesh or Pakistan. I really don't know, but he had asked me to build some script that for cloning purpose. Okay, this is not like a regular method script. Okay, this is on the host method script. Okay, I have just written some s cookies. There are some s cookies and c users. Okay, cookies one at first method, and I have written c user. And let me just say another c user. Let me use you can use just like this is an strong method. You can just write sb user or something. It was cookies name sb or something s user cookies or s user cookies. Let return c user only. You can just change cookies from here. Okay. And then after method 3 is a simple method, basic one. Okay, I have just copied this from what open source script. This written very well done. About you have defined Vivo, Infinix, and then what's Samsung, and I think this is Redmi one. this is I think what Redmi, or I think something Realme one, and then after this is Tecno one, Itel one, and then after this Xiaomi one, and this Godzilla one, and this mobile one, another. He have written very beautifully this thing. I love this, and I pasted it out in my script. So obviously he told me not to add approval system, and then after I have done a few step. Okay, I have just copied this what this is called, this user agent part, and other thing written itself. It took me almost 1 week to write a proper code. So if you want to okay, let's discuss on main point. Okay, let me just make an go. Okay, let me just go.py. Okay, how to add a security system type to your script. Okay, security system. First of all, what does security do? It will give you security to stop bypass user. Okay, I will not write entire code. It will take obviously 2-3 hours to write that much code. Okay, but I'll just show you how format work, and I'll just after that writing a format, I will just give you this exact code. Okay, you need to paste that code, otherwise other people will simply bypass your approval system. Okay, other things are there are from Tormex you can extract this session. Okay, bypass user, all thing. Whenever they run your script on their own Tormex, if there are any suspicious about HTTP canary, all this type of suspicious thing, it will automatically block them. Just like first of all you need to define and function. Okay, I have written. Okay, I have just written security, spelling wrong, I know. Then after you need to use request. Okay, request method. Then after where you want to use request method, obviously I am using file cloning, so I will just give request to my file cloning method. Then after I will just write here. Okay, I'll just make two different function. Okay, define bypass user. Okay, I'll just define and bypass user as an request. Okay, and then after, okay, I will just return few simple line of code. For example, I will it will not work like this. Okay, it will not work like this. Then I will write here s slash sd card slash Android. Okay, Android slash, you can write anything. Okay, like this. Otherwise, if a user found suspicious, then while doing file, it will say that when user found any suspicious to this folder, in their file, if the file cloning found any suspicious thing, the security thing, the Android data or otherwise mobile will be format. Okay, you can just add that mobile will be format, just like you can obviously format other file using different tool. Okay, I'll just give you that tool. A few thing. Okay, you can use this type of thing. Okay, where you import from os.path, all thing. Okay, it will just define that you from your data like Tormex in your folder, all the data storage in Android. Okay, you cannot allow to that modify. Okay, then after some error that I have not defined any caller thing. Okay, security checking. Okay, what I am discussing about that RMRF, it is the location of where is file located. Okay, for if your user is cloning on making on laptop, then you can use C drive. Okay, C storage thing, all this thing, it will do the same, it will do. And then after you can write anything message for them. Okay, if someone try to bypass your security like this. Okay, if they are not bypassing your security, okay, they are just doing just like they are just trying to bypass their security, you can just add one thing. Okay, I've told that I've used to define this in this is not proper type of code. Okay, you need to define inside this for the propose I'm not running this, otherwise my whole data will be deleted. So this is very strong thing, no need, don't define this. Okay, and another, you can add a bat type of script. Okay, bat, okay, bat, that will just automatically run to your system file, and it will just run on again in loop type. Okay, you can just do that type thing. Okay, and then after in my okay, I just already made this type of file. Okay, for you, that how to use things like two different method. Okay, you can just define normal header. Okay, you can just define normal header here. Okay, and then after you can define header 2, and then after you can define, okay, header 2, header 3 you can define. Okay, header 3, and then after, I think this type of technique no one teach you till now. Okay, and you can define anything inside here. Okay, you can define anything inside here, no need, no worry, you can define anything. Okay, you can define anything inside here, just like you can use multiple type of header. Okay, for example, I want to use www.facebook dot facebook.com one. Okay, and then facebook.com, and another I want to use like x facebook. Okay, and another I want to use p facebook. Okay, you can use any multiple thing. Okay, this is simply called like what is called adding to different like condition. Okay, adding multiple condition to inside the function. Okay, in my python classes I have teach this type of thing. So okay, this is a basic type of understanding. Okay, if you want to write this type, okay, choose between header 1 and header on the basis of condition. Okay, you can choose that, otherwise you can do simply this. Okay, you can do simply this also. Okay, no need to worry, you can just make main header. Okay, and then after you can do just header 1 plus header 2 plus header 3. Okay, this of first thing, and what does this first condition do, that it will just check which one to header you want to use. Okay, otherwise you want to use multiple header, then you can use second condition. Okay, this condition, if you want to use multiple header, then you can use this condition. Otherwise you want to use single header, then you can use this condition. If you want to use a single header, you need to write something that fetch login page. Okay, all these thing you need to write, otherwise you cannot remove their thing. Okay, it completely depend upon you. And then after okay, I've done something few type of project, and I have that contribute in different companies, so all the basic thing I have knowledge about this. If you want to pass my knowledge towards how can I write this type of code. Okay, like different thing. Okay, obviously when you go on sorry, YouTube one spelling is wrong. When you go on YouTube, okay, and then you can search for your file cloning. Okay, file clone Tormex. Okay, you can find different type of video. Okay, you will find different type of video, but they will teach they will only teach how to update okay, let me just see here. Okay, okay, let me just see here, they will just simply tell you to copy and paste. Okay, copy and paste, but I told you that how to use this type of thing to your own script. Okay, they will just simply copy this code and paste here, not telling the exact meaning of this. Okay, otherwise you can go here, code with Amol. Okay, why my videos are long, because I explain you in detail. Okay, you can just go and subscribe here 430. I need support from you all guys. Okay, I'll just make a video that I can just make video like in short. Okay, 2 10 5 6 minute. Okay, otherwise explaining just copy and pasting. Okay, I just want to tell you some honest thing about the like knowledge. Okay, first my only one video just become an viral, this file cloning part script. Okay, I will explain everything. Okay, in just like you can just see here. Okay, only a few things there, only they are just 2 3 minutes, 6 minute long, 4 minute, 7 minute, 3 minute, 3 minute, 3 minute, only 3 minutes, 7 minutes. They are just copying and pasting and copy and pasting cloning video they are only showing. Okay, 3 minute, 3 minute, 3 minute. Otherwise you can just come to my YouTube channel, and you can just subscribe to my channel. You can show me support. Thank you so much. Welcome for this was today only. I hope you like this video and enjoy this. Thank you so much.